Today we will study about the use of Boolean algebra to reduce a Boolean equation. So we have a Boolean equation z is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b plus a b c bar plus ac, and we have to minimize it so that we can make a circuit which is as small as possible. So out of these two equations, I am taking a bar outside. We will have b plus b bar c bar, and this will reduce to this equation b plus c bar. Now out of these two, I am taken a outside. Now I have c plus bc bar. So this equation will be reduced to this equation. The formula for this is equal to a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. We have used this condition. So here we have b, here we have b bar. So whatever is written with the bar condition, which will be left. Here same also, it is c and c bar. So b is left here. So opening the brackets. Now from these two equations, this and this, we will have b outside, a bar plus a. A bar plus a is equal to 1. So b into 1 is b. And we have the equation b plus a bar c bar plus ac. This is our final answer. So we have used the Boolean algebra to reduce this function. Now z is equal to this much. Clearly, this equation will use less components as compared to this equation. So again we have an equation. We will minimize this equation. Z is equal to a plus b bar plus c bar into a plus b bar c bar. Now we will open the bracket. First of all, we will have a into a plus a into b bar c, b bar into a, b bar into b bar c plus a into c bar and b c c bar. This is the equation after opening the brackets. Now this term gives us a only. So this can be written as a into 1. This term c into c bar, here c into c bar is equal to 0. So 0 into b bar will be 0. So this term will vanish. B bar into b bar will be b bar. And out of these terms, first, second, third, and fourth, we have taken a outside. So it is 1 plus b bar c plus b bar plus c bar. Now anything which has a plus 1, 1 plus x is equal to 1, identity equation. So this bracket will give us the result 1. So we will have a into 1 plus b bar c. This term will vanish. And our final result is a plus b bar c. Now, as you can see that this is the minimized form. This is the minimized equation. So we use the Boolean algebra to reduce our equation to make our circuit less complicated and economical in nature. Now we have another example. Z is equal to a bar b plus b bar b c bar plus bc plus a b bar c bar. Now out of these two equations I have used here, this c plus c bar will be equal to 1. So a bar b plus b plus C bar, B plus AB bar. Now you are thinking that from where this term has emerged, because we have only this term. So where this extra term is coming, this term is coming from this value. We are used here BC bar is equal to BC bar plus BC bar. So one term is used with this equation and the second term is used with this. So it will be B plus A B bar. So using the formula A plus A bar B equal to A plus B, we will have the condition that it will be B plus A. Now A bar, from these two terms, taking B outside, 1 plus A bar, it will be 1. So this is our few examples to minimize the following Boolean functions. To minimize our Boolean functions. Now here we have another equation. Tried. I have tried to explain this, that out of these two equations, I can take this term as common, and I will left with A, B, C bar, D bar plus D, and this D bar plus D will be equal to 1. So it will remain as A, B, C bar. Similarly, downward, I will take ABC common. I will have D plus D bar, which will give us 1, and I will left with ABC. Similarly, you have to arrange the different terms. If some term is missing, you can create that term, because we have the condition that A is equal to A plus A. This is our identity. So any term, if you want to use it twice, you can recreate that for combining two different equations.
सर तो पिछले वाले एग्जांपल में सर आपने बताया था वो क्रिएट करिए, फिर से बताना सर कैसे करी थी वो.
Yes,
because
because
सर BC वाली.
yes, we have used this in here, but I want to use this as well as also this with this. So I have termed this extra term with this, and taking C bar outside, I have B plus AB bar. Okay. So I have gone through all types of examples in minimization of Boolean functions. So this is your homework, and here ends today's lecture.